If you've lost access to your TorGuard account and don't have your phone number for recovery, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process. Step 1. Visit the TorGuard login page. Go to the official TorGuard website and click on the login option. This will take you to the account login interface where you can begin the recovery process. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use sRark to monitor your account 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Check your email. After submitting your email, check your inbox for a password reset email from TorGuard. If you don't see it, be sure to check your spam or junk folder as well. Step 4. Follow the password reset instructions. Open the email and follow the instructions provided to reset your password. You may need to create a new password that meets the security requirements. Step 5. Log in with your new password. Once you have successfully reset your password, return to the login page and enter your email and new password to access your account. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider reaching out to TorGuard's customer support for further assistance.